Aloha from Maui, Lucky, author, coach, spiritual teacher, podcaster. My newest book is called Quiet Your Mind Chatter. That's also the name of my podcast. And today I have a tip for you. This is from my book. It says I'm discussing this goal that I had, and I reached the goal and I felt good for a few minutes, and then I felt kind of regular, and I realized that this incident reminded me that my source of joy is often unpredictable. That's my suggestion for you today. My wellness tool for you today is to remember to stay open. Stay open to divine possibilities, because a lot of times we decide ahead of time what an experience is going to be like. This is going to be really hard today, and then it's really hard. Maybe because we manifest that, or this is going to be easy and this is going to be fun, and maybe it is and maybe it isn't, and if it isn't, then we get frustrated because we thought this part was going to be easy and fun. So if we stay open, the quote-unquote hard parts might actually bring some blessings and some opportunities to keep our sense of humor. And that's what I'm doing this morning, is remembering to keep my sense of humor, because then I get a laugh and keep things light. And then when things do get challenging, I remember to not take myself so seriously. So my heart is open, my mind is open, and sometimes that's challenging because I grew up in a judgmental environment. So my first defense mechanism is to judge. You're doing wrong, which means I must be right. And that can feel good in that moment, in the short term, but then I close off the opportunity to make a connection with you, and then I have my heart that's closed. That doesn't feel very good. So my higher power and I have been partnering to keep my heart open and my mind open to divine possibilities, so that joy can flow in at any moment. I haven't decided ahead of time what's going to make me happy, and then when that joy flows in, I can be happy in that moment and then be open to whatever comes next. I invite you to experience joy on Maui. I have a workshop that's coming up that you are cordially invited to. It is, I wrote the dates down here so I don't tell you the wrong dates, March 11th and 12th of 2023. It's an oceanfront workshop. It's pretty casual. It's just going to be 2 hours on Saturday, March 11th, and then 2 hours the next day on Sunday at a beautiful oceanfront location. It's basically an excuse for you to come to Maui, and you can hang out with me a little bit, and then the rest of the time you're just on your own, cruising around, discovering all these beautiful beaches that I've been filming from. We're in North Kihei today. Glad to have you here with me at sunrise. I send you blessings with aloha. More information about that workshop is on my website, wellnesswithlucky.com. Aloha.